Hi everyone and welcome back. Now we can see the demo of the application. We have just these few pages, blogs, hire me, about, contact and all. And now when we launch this application, we can see this is how it look like. So this is the home page, right? And we can inspect it also, what all things we are getting from the network. Okay. So whenever I'm hitting a new page request, you can see about.js is making a call. Home.js is making a call and hire me, then similarly the blog. So all the content is not getting loaded together. Whenever you are hitting a new page, it is requesting a server and getting the data back again. So the whole page is coming. Okay, you can see here the blog.js is coming. Here the hireme.js is coming. So this particular split bundle is coming from the request. We can also see these through npm run build. If we can get some output, I will just try to do this, how the build is happening. Okay, so now whenever you click on it, we are actually navigating to these different server side rendered routes. So we are using next router for this. We have just created a plain link in the layout component. Layout is having the header, and header has all these four links: home, about, hire me and blog. And we just created these .js pages inside the pages folder, so that whenever you do the click onto it, that we can navigate to that those. You can see now the build, right? What all chunks it has created. This is important section which I was talking about. Now you can see the pages, right? These all these build or the pages it has created. While building it also, it knows, okay, there are 5 pages, /404, about, home, and all these pages it has created, and it has created a optimized production build, right? So currently we are not doing anything about fetching the data. We are not using get initial props. We are just writing a stateless functional component. We are not even extending the react dot component. Okay, styles, global dot styles, we have something globals dot css, right? So whatever the global css you wanted to put, like body content, then you can put. So this app.js is something which is common, and it's like a root component, and you can put the global things here. You can set the font family, font size, some h1, h2, h3, h4. We have these sizing tags, right? You can put a default styling for all of these. Okay, in the next video what we will do is we'll extend this example. We'll have about section, blog section, a particular page, and whenever we are switching between these pages, we are going to have some kind of a progress bar, so that we will come to know, okay, some data content is getting loaded. Okay, thanks everyone.